Hello, why did we have to come here again? But we don't have that much evidence. The evidence is so... Come on. We don't need this much evidence just for a tiny little show. Come on, it's dusty here. Like, very. What's that? Why does it actually smell kind of like lavender in here? Hold. Sorry, I didn't mean to do it. I'm sorry. Did I ever tell you I was allergic to lavender? Now we're locked in here with a bunch of lavenders. Thank you. Footsteps. Look, I'm sorry. Can we go anywhere else but the lavenders? We're locked in a room full of lavenders. I need to sneeze. I'm sorry, I just can't sneeze because I'm trapped in a whole room full of lavenders. I need to sneeze again. I'm sorry, I'm not really gonna hold me back. I haven't had an allergy attack like this before. Especially not while hiding. And, like, what is that? Lavenders. What? Lavenders. Chicken. That was a big one. I'm sorry. I've always had an extra tissue along with the case. What do you mean my sneeze is it? How are we supposed to get out of here with my sneeze? Since I've been saying the whole time. So you're telling me if I just put out my sneeze, maybe I can smush down the door? Okay. If you say so. So, how long am I gonna have to build my sneeze for? Because I already know everyone coming. tissue dropper perfume. The one thing tickles. Is that big enough? Oh, I need to make more. Spit paper too. Oh, this might actually be a big one. I'm sorry. One time. More should I do? Okay, I better build this one up then. What? Just one more. Okay. I guess I can do that. Oh. Oh, stuck. Or perfume. Guess that could help. Disease. Disease. was good. Wait. Do you see it again? Those lavenders were pretty, but